£75 plus VAT for this locking wheel bolt. Now, we were going to dynamite this bolt out so then we could remove the wheel. But this is the problem that we've got. Once we have refurbed these wheels and put new tyres on, we really want a locking wheel bolt in it. So, what we've done, we've managed to purchase a master Audi alloy wheel set for the bolts. And we can see on here that we have got potentially number T. Now all this does is just inserts that sit inside there. You push it down and then hopefully, look at that. So guys, that master set there is $39.99, which we will keep. But if you want to do it the other way, you can take a picture of this locking wheel bolt, send it to somebody on a well-known marketplace, and they will send you the bolt for $16.99, which is cheaper than replacing the bolt set. Audi, 75 quid plus the VAT, £90, guys. So, tip for you. Thank me later.